आज मैं आपके लिए एक पार्क फेसिंग प्रॉपर्टी लेके आया हूँ DLF Phase 2 में। Hi guys, this is Dhruv, your host, and today we're gonna cover a 300 squares builder floor which is located in DLF Phase 2. It's a park facing unit. It's a 4 BHK located on a 12-meter road. It's a very premium block, and as you can see, the park here is very lively. Kids are enjoying here. You can also enjoy here in your morning walks and in your evening walks. You can also work out in the gym here. There's an open gym in this park as well as slides for the kids. Let me take you to this beautiful property here in DLF Phase 2. Let's go. We have the stilt tour right now of this beautiful 300 squares builder floor which is located in DLF Phase 2. Let me give you a show around of this silt floor. As you can see, it's a checkboard pattern and it's well lit up by profile lights, LED strip lights and cove lights. The texture on the walls is of grey paint finish. It's zero maintenance. As you can see, the electricity panel board is covered so it doesn't give a shabby look on the floor. You also have coverings for the motor units. So we get enough parking on this stilt floor, one for each floor, one entire row for each floor. So basically in this one row you can easily park 4 cars. 4 big cars can be easily parked inside this row, and even in this row you can accommodate 3 cars. In the other 2 rows you can accommodate 2 more cars in each row. So now let's go to the main floor and give you a walkthrough. Now we are at the main floor. This is a 4 BHK, a 300 square yards builder floor located in DLF Phase 2 of Gurgaon. This is a park facing unit located on a 12-meter wide road. Let me give you the specifications of this floor. It's a 4 BHK with 4 toilets and a powder room, a fully modular kitchen and a well lit drawing and dining area. If I give you the gist about this drawing and dining area is 23 by 18 feet. It has ample of space here. You can easily do an L-shaped sofa ceiling here, and this is going to be the area where your dining table is going to be kept. Talking about the entrance door, it's a heavy duty door. This door will be finished with a smart lock of Dorset or Yale or of a similar brand. This is a alley shaped builder floor, which means that it has a passage which connects the first bedroom, which is in the front, and 3 bedrooms which are at the back of this floor. Let's have a look at the powder washroom. In a 300 square yards, usually builders do a common washroom which is connected to either of the rooms. Very few builders give a separate powder room. If you have a look at this sanitary ware, it's a Kohler fitting with Kohler ceramics and a designer mirror. If we talk about the wall paneling, the walls are finished in a POP grooving, and there's a marble slab which is on the wash basin. Let me give you a tour of the master bedroom now. The master bedroom is 18 by 12 feet. 18 feet in length and 12 feet in width. इस बिल्डर फ्लोर में बिल्डर ने आपको split ACs दिए हैं Daikin के. It's a 2-tonner AC. And if we talk about the bed back area, it's beautifully done by the builder. इसमें कोई fancy wall panelings, louvers नहीं लगाए बिल्डर ने. He has focused purely on elegance. If you have a look at it, it's all POP. The POP louvers and POP moldings are very well finished. If you have a look in this tile finish in the back side of the bed, this is going to be your bed placement and this is going to be your TV unit. Lightings बहुत important और major role play करती है एक builder floor में. The builder is focused a lot on the lights. If you have a look at it, it's a very elegant and chic light. Now coming to the second best part of this house is this humongous master washroom. It has storage on my right. As you can see, there are two fully sized cupboards here. And you can see one is over here and one is behind the door. The entire washroom is marble cladded. It's all Italian marble. Even the countertop is of Italian marble. So there's a unique feature about this is यहाँ पे builder ने आपको fluted glass finish इसलिए दी है ताकि if you are taking bath, you have your own privacy even if you keep the washroom door open for your partner to use it to take out clothes, to wash hands or to do the makeup. So now if we talk about the second bedroom, which is over here, let's have a look at it. This is 14 feet in length and 11 feet in width. We have wooden flooring here. Your bed placements is gonna be here along with the side tables and TV can be placed over there. Again, you have split AC in this bedroom. Talking about the washroom, there's again storage inside this washroom. Two fully sized cupboards here, one with the glass shutter and one with the laminate HDHMR shutter. This washroom is again Italian marble cladded. You get 3 light settings here in your vanity. Again, Kohler sanitary ware and WC as well. If you talk about the bath fittings, it also comprises of Kohler hand shower and head shower, overhead shower. This room is also connected to the backside balcony. It's sufficient to place your chairs and tables, have a cup of tea or coffee. This is well spaced from the backside apartment or a villa which is there. So you get a lot of space. There's no crampedness here in this sector and you will not feel कि आपको यार आपके घर से कोई आसपास आपकी privacy hamper हो रही है, वो वैसा नहीं होगा यहाँ पे because the house at the back is at a good distance from this floor. This guest bedroom is 13 by 11 feet. You have storage, ample of storage here in this bedroom. As you can see, you have one full wardrobe and a utility wardrobe over here. A tile finish, and again you have a designer mirror and Kohler sanitary ware. DLF phase 2 में जो कनेक्टिविटी आती है फ्रॉम द नेशनल हाईवे 48, बहुत अच्छी कनेक्टिविटी ऑफर करता है DLF phase 2. इवन इफ यू वांट टू गो टू द सिकंदरपुर मेट्रो स्टेशन और इवन द MG रोड मेट्रो स्टेशन, यू हैव ग्रेट कनेक्टिविटी. ड्राइंग एंड डाइनिंग तो आप लोगों ने देख ही लिया होगा. लेट्स मूव टू द किचन. ही आप अमेजिंग फूड कुक कर सकते हो यहाँ पे. इट्स अ फुल्ली modular kitchen. This also has Italian marble flooring. It's an iceberg Italian stone. It's beige in color. You get ample of storage here for your side-by-side door refrigerator. A pantry storage over here. This comes with all the white goods, which includes a microwave, an oven, half-lay hob and half-lay chimney. Even the microwave and the oven are of half-lay, which comes with a brand warranty of 1 year. Kitchen has a lot of ventilation, which is the most important thing of a house, because जो आप घर में झोंके लगाते हो, जो आप खाना बनाते हो, all the fumes have to pass out of the house. Otherwise, they will spoil the walls and the ceiling of the floor. So ventilation is given by the builder. You have an L-shaped balcony here. Talking about this wash basin, this is a very unique feature here. So this has 3 water flows. You can easily put your soap inside over here. No need to cramp up this space with soap bars, detergents or any sort of cleaning material. You can press this thing to wash your glasses. And also the builder has focused on there's attention to detail a lot. So there's an RO outlet over here as well. So this bedroom, which is on the front side of this floor, is 16 feet in width and 11 feet in length. So again, as I told you, the builder has focused on elegance. So there's no wall paneling done, any UPVC or any sort of louvers are not placed here. The builder has focused on elegance, and you get POP moldings on the wall. A very elegant light over here. As we move to the washroom of this front side bedroom, this is also of a very European finish. This entire washroom comprises of tile finish on the floors as well as on the walls. Again, you have Kohler fittings here and here as well. You get a designer light over here. If you talk about the shower cubicle, the niches are done of a marble finish, and you get Kohler bath fittings over here. I hope you like the entire walkthrough of this floor. It's a 300 square yards on a 12-meter road in a gated block of DLF Phase 2 with round-the-clock security of DLF QRT team. This overlooks the park. Right now it's pretty dark. You won't be able to see the park, but we have attached the cinematics in this video. You have an amazing view of the Cyber City over there. This area is filled with lush greens, lots of huge trees. You can have a cup of tea or coffee, enjoy with your friends. In this balcony, let me give you the availability and pricing of this floor. We have the first floor with a glass house in the stilt area, which is priced at 5.25 crores. And we have the third floor, which is available at 4.5 crores. The asks are negotiable. Do call us on the number which is mentioned below if you want to schedule a site visit for this particular floor. Also, if you're looking at any floor throughout Gurgaon, which ranges from 2 to even 12 crores, 14 crores, 15 crores. For example, if you're looking at a 200 square yards or even a 180 square yards up to 1023 square yards, we will assist you with the inventories that we have in hand. If you like the video, please do like, please do share your views and subscribe to the channel. This is your host signing off.